Okay, we got another snowstorm. The picture I just showed you before the show, that was real, not too long ago. And looks like winter storm won't have an issue down here. Baker effect snow warning for Billion. Winter weather advisory. What kind of run the flood warning? Run the winter weather advisory. We got a couple inches of snow, but it's supposed to get way worse. Friday, probably the slight chance of snow. This is the only county got wake effect snow. They got like a half a foot. And right in Daytona, they got maybe an inch with a 30-mile-per-hour gust. Elkhart County, only 2 inches. Down here, anything about that? Ooh, we got thunderstorms down there in Florida, in Daytona, Florida area. And in the blue, 3 to 5 inches. It's 6 inches possible bearing. Damn. That's wake effect snow I think we gained. No, it's not. I just got home. And yeah, I just got home. Damn, you have guys had no idea what happened in school. It was on the news I recorded right now. It was on the news I recorded because I got whatever. That's all snow right here. Look. This is all snow. Pushing this way. Look, down here, that is all snow. And we're still getting it. Stay tuned for more updates. And it's gonna be a short one too. Well, update, yes, these little red scratches again, but don't worry about it. Go away. Okay. A winter storm warning right now for our area, and look at that. A crest part of it, I think most of it's gonna get hit. Damn! 6 to 8 inches of my pro. Damn! 6 to 8 inches of snow. Holy crap. How many snow inches? 2 plus 5 is 7. That would make it 9. That's 10. 10 inches, man. Up to 10 inches. Oh, thank God. Look at that. You see that? That's heavy snow. It's weather channel. See this white rocks? Winter storm warning how we report it. Okay, you see these red scratches are going away now. You got like a couple teeny red scratches like this. So you can see my camera. Like that, look. You guys see it? It go away. No big deal. Pretty soon, when I grow up a little bit, I'm gonna get a new camera. The quality will be better. Like, the quality will be better in a couple more years. 2012, I'm gonna get a better quality. I got enough money to buy a new camera, but I want to save on something else because I got a project one day. Yes, you need 10 inches. 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 2. It's 9 to 10 inches. Stay tuned for more updates. Okay, update. Welcome back. It's about midnight. Today is Saturday, 21st of November 2009. Yep, winter storm warning got bigger. It's been issued. And nothing's really changed. Nothing changed, but we're gonna work outside in the morning. So we got 1 plus... Wait, let's go up a little bit. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 2 is 8, plus that's 9 inches. Same amount like we did last time. So this is 3/4 of a foot of snow, man. Oh yeah, Thursday we got showers, which is gonna melt the snow quick. And Binkamus. Hold on a second. About 4 o'clock in the morning. Then still continues all night. Then all damn day. Here we go, here's the color. Purple. They're gonna get the more snow. We got more too because it's wake effect moving. It's pushing this way. It's actually pushing this way. It's actually pushing this way and push right this way. Okay. Stay tuned for more updates. Okay, right now, it is blowing snow right now. You see that thing moving? Look at that. Hell yeah, it's windy right now. Got like 30 miles, gusts, 35 right now. We got like 35 mile per hour gusts right now, and it's snowing. Blowing snow. I guess you guys cannot see it, but you can tell by the snow and the wind. Whatever. This is in part 1. See in part 2. In part 2 will be posted on Sunday. Stay tuned for more updates.